Good morning, Pigeon World and YouTube. This is Greg from GBJ Loss. This morning dove has had his neck twisted. He just woke up one day and it was all twisted. It's been like that for a couple of years, but it eats and drinks like that and has survived. And the other one's fine. But I want to try to give it some 5-in-1 to see if that helps. If any of you guys out there know what's good for that, to cure that, let me know. These are my mom's words, and no, she does not want to put them out. And this is the little cockatiel. I'm gonna give him some 5-in-1 too. Maybe help him out with the feathers. And I'm also going to give them baths on Sunday. This is Greg from GBJ Loss. Till next time, guys, remember, keep them flying.